Battle for political supremacy in the state of Maharashtra. This is the first poll test at the assembly level after splitting of parties which took place when it comes to the main contenders in the state of Maharashtra battlefield from 4 now to 6. And as the voters pick their representatives on 288 assembly constituencies, the politicians will fight it out for their prestige, for their legacy, and of course, when it comes to their popularity. The outcome of this election result could potentially have an impact on the future of the two main alliances that could also lead to further political realignments in the state of Maharashtra.
हमेशा जैसा चुनाव में देख रहा हूँ, चुनाव में हमेशा अलग-अलग कैंडिडेट खड़े हो जाते हैं। आपको पता होगा, आप ऐसा क्यों बोल रहे हैं मुझे पता नहीं, लेकिन लोकसभा के चुनाव के वक्त भी हमारे ही परिवार के दो कैंडिडेट एक दूसरे के खिलाफ खड़े थे और वो चुनाव सबने देखा है। इस दफ़ा भी वैसा ही हुआ है, लेकिन मैंने पूरे बारामती में सब लोगों को मिलने की कोशिश की और मुझे विश्वास है बारामती के लोग इस दफा मुझे अच्छे वोटों से जीत के दे देंगे।
बारामती में इस बार सिंपैथी गेम हो रहा है, दोनों बाजू से ऐसे एलिगेशंस हो रहे हैं।
मैंने क्या सिंपैथी गेम किया? दोनों बाजू में एक लो बाजू मेरी है, तो मैंने कहा कि मेरा लास्ट का स्पीच आपने देखा होगा, जिसको हम समारोह की सभा बोलते हैं, लास्ट सभा जो हमारे यहाँ होती है। तो मैंने जो 5 साल में काम किया है, आगे जो मैं बारामती के लिए करना चाहता हूँ, आगे जो महाराष्ट्र के लिए मैं करना चाहता हूँ, क्या हमारा विजन है, क्या हमारा।
So as promised, let's quickly get when it comes to the ground reports that have been coming in, introducing as far as our reporters are concerned. Arunil, Atul, Nilesh and Shivani, all of them joining us live. Let's quickly also listen into the live reactions.
The expectation is that the percentage should be more, especially in South Mumbai. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Well, Shaktikanta Das there as far as the RBI governor also giving out his first reaction after when it comes to casting their vote. And this is the festival of democracy that is being celebrated. Of course, when it comes to all of our reporters there on the ground, let's begin with Arunil first, because this has been one of the most bitterly fought elections that has now been witnessed between the ruling Mahayuti, which is Eknath Shinde Shiv Sena, the BJP, Ajit Pawar's Nationalist Congress Party, and the opposition Mahavikas Aghadi, which is a coalition of Sharad Pawar's faction of the NCP, Uddhav Thackeray's faction of Shiv Sena, and the Congress Party. Arunil.
Well, certainly, yes. Good morning to you, Amita. Unprecedented elections for the people of Maharashtra. More than 9 crore voters will be casting their vote today. It is also basically a litmus test for two of the regional parties in Maharashtra. One is the NCP, divided in two factions. Ajit Pawar was speaking from Baramati some time back. It is a D-day for Ajit Pawar as well. Somebody who's pitted against his own nephew, that is Yugendra Pawar. Sharad Pawar basically playing that card against his nephew, that is Mr. Ajit Pawar. At present, I am reporting from Bandra East. Uddhav Thackeray and his entire family will be voting over here. It is basically a D-day for Uddhav Thackeray's family as well. Their party has also split into two. CM Eknath Shinde basically saying that he is the true custodian of Barasaheb Thackeray's, late Barasaheb Thackeray's legacy. Also basically hitting out at Uddhav Thackeray, saying that you basically compromised on Hindutva and joined hands with the arch nemesis of late Barasaheb Thackeray. In the run-up to the elections, different rhetorics have been pushed forth. Be it PM Modi saying, "Ek hai to safe hai," Yogi Adityanath saying that "Batoge to katoge," that basically escalated to a very large extent. The penultimate day also saw much of an action wherein Vinod Tawade, senior BJP leader from Delhi,